After the recent spike in terror attacks in the Jammu region, security forces launched coordinated operations to flush out terrorists. And now those found harboring terrorists will be booked under the Enemy Agents Act, a stringent law under which the only punishments are life imprisonment or the death penalty. Here's a report.
Crackdown on terror suspects in Riyasi after the recent attack on a bus carrying yatris. Police sources say 3 more suspects have been detained following the arrest of a key accused who had sheltered and guided terrorists to carry out attack on the bus on June 17th. So far, more than 150 suspects have been detained for questioning, and those found to be involved in supporting foreign terrorists will be booked under the Enemy Agents Act, a stringent law under which the only punishments are life imprisonment or the death penalty.
ये फाइटर्स तो इस तरीके से कोई इन्वेस्टिगेशन के दायरे में तो आने वाले नहीं हैं। ये तो विजय साहब जैसे कहते काइनेटिक एक्शन में इनको गोली मार के इनको ढेर करना है। इनको जो सपोर्ट की बात चल रही है उसकी अगर आप पूछ रहे हैं कि इन्वेस्टिगेशन के दायरे में, मैं किसी जगह पे कहा कि दे विल बी ट्रीटेड एज एनिमी एजेंट।
After the recent spike in terror attacks in the Jammu region, security forces have launched coordinated operations to flush out terrorists in the mountains of the Pir Panjal region. While no terrorist involved in these attacks has been tracked down so far, police said they have arrested Hakam Deen, who allegedly provided shelter to the attackers, 3 foreign terrorists.
This person was involved in harboring the terrorists multiple times, along with providing food and shelter. The said person also acted as a guide and helped them in reaching the spot of incident.
As the focus of counter-insurgency operations has shifted to the mountains of Pir Panjal region and other areas of Jammu, a large number of suspects have been detained as part of a major security crackdown. But tracking down highly trained and well-entrenched militants in the region still remains a major challenge. In Srinagar, Nazir Masoodi, Findy TV.